Good evening, everyone. I invite Kevin sir to conduct the session.
So good evening, one and all.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Am I audible to you?
Yeah, sir.
So how was your weekend test? Did you do well?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So it was direct questions. There was no tested questions, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the last question's answer? What happens when you do a transformation to a circle? Hmm? It was a conceptual based question.
Sir, ellipse, sir. So it will become ellipse.
That's all, sir. Whatever answer you are giving, you have to justify your answer, not simply a guesswork. Any others who want to try? What happens when you do a transformation to a circle? No, no
Center
answer.
will be shifted, sir. Center will be shifted.
No. Here we are not mentioning what type of transformation we are doing. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
So you just I'm telling what happens when we do transformation to a circle. That's what I'm asking. We don't know whether we are doing translation or we are doing rotation. Can be doing general transformation also. No, we don't know exactly. So guesswork you have written. Let us say this is a circle. If transformation happens, this circle becomes like this. Yes or no?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Okay. If the same circle, let us say, let us say, we are doing rotation. This is a circle, we are doing rotation. So what happens? This becomes like this. So the origin is there, only the axes are shifting. That means circles, the other things get shifted. The circle may get distorted. Sometimes what happens? If I keep my, let us say, let us say, when I do transformation, I keep my x-axis constant. I do transformation only through y-axis. That time what happens? This becomes like this. As if you keep x-axis, so when you do transformation, the possible distortion of a circle will reduce into a ellipse. When you do normal transformation, the circle will remain a circle. Whether you do translation, whether you do rotation, or whether you do general transformation, circle will remain circle. See here, circle remains circle, circle remains circle, circle remains circle, circle remains circle. But when we do transformation with certain conditions, maybe keeping x-axis constant, making transformation only through y-axis, or keeping y-axis constant, making a transformation through, that time my circle gets distorted and becomes like an ellipse. It becomes an enlarged circle, or as a what is called as a A stretched circle. Stretched circle is nothing but an ellipse. Correct? No?
Yes, sir.
So this is the reason behind why the transformation of circle. The same question, if they are given this answer, let us say option A, circle itself. Option B, ellipse. Option C, parabola. Option D, hyperbola. Now, if this is given, the answer is option A. Because when you do transformation, general transformation, or rotation, or translation, circle remains circle itself. Since this option is not given, the other possibility a circle can get transformed into is an. You understand?
Yes, sir.
The same question's answer varies depending upon the multiple choice, the options they are given. Is it clear? Is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we proceed ahead?
Sure. Sir.
Okay. Now, the angle of rotation of axis, such that equation root 3x minus equation root 3x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is reduced into the form y is equal to some constant. Now they're telling that the equation root 3x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0. Y plus 5. Y plus 5 is equal to 0. This equation is reduced to a form called as y is equal to some constant. Huh? For this, what should be my angle of rotation? This also, we are basing on one of the corollaries. So what will be the angle theta?
Sir, 90 degree.
No.
1/2 tan inverse
1
2h
by 2
by
tan inverse of, that is for the equation ax square plus by square plus 2hxy plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0, and the equation is getting transformed into ax square plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here my equation is getting transformed into y is equal to some constant. Hmm? That is, if my equation is getting transformed into, let us say y is equal to k, then theta is equal to tan inverse of, look, we have written this corollary.
A by B by A, sir.
A.
Sorry, a by b. Sorry, a by b. A by b. Hmm. A by b minus a by b. So using this corollary, we are doing it. So if you do it also, first you have to find out what is my a, what is my b, etc. and so on. So if you compare my a value, what is my a value here?
Root 3.
minus root 3.
Root 3
No, sir.
minus root
Root
3. Yeah.
3.
B value is
No,
equal to
-1.
Minus 1.
minus 1. So theta is equal to tan inverse of minus root 3
-√3
minus 1 minus minus will
by
cancel. So theta is equal to tan inverse of root 3. So
60 degrees.
60
tan
degrees.
inverse of root 3 is 60 degree, that is 5 by 3. So I have to rotate my axis with an angle 5 by 3. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We'll go to the next question.
Yes, sir.
The angle of rotation of axis. The angle of rotation of axis in order to eliminate xy terms. You have to eliminate xy terms. The angle of rotation of axis in order to eliminate xy terms. In the equation is xy is equal to c square. Is dash. So they're telling that equation is xy is equal to c square. This is the equation. In this equation, we have to, what is this called as? We have to, what we have to do? We have to eliminate this xy term now. So what should be my angle of rotation should be? What is my theta should be? No idea? Why
Sir,
so
is it
silent?
half tan inverse into 2h
Same
by
thing. When there is no prescribed corollary, when there is no prescribed thing, go for the standard equation. According to standard equation, the angle of theta is equal to
1 by 2. 1
half
by 2
into
into
tan
tan
inverse of
inverse
2h by
2h
a
by
minus
a
b.
minus b.
So what is my a value here? A value is
0.
0. B value is
0.
0.
h value is
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
plus 2h value is 1.
1.
1,
1.
sir.
So substitute everything here. So half into tan inverse of 1 by 0 minus 0 is 0. If you simplify this one, this will be half into tan inverse of infinity. When do we get infinity? Tan in
0
pi
degree.
by 2.
90
Sorry.
degrees.
So pi by 2. So 1 into pi, 2 into 2 is
Pi
equal
by
to 4.
4.
So pi by 4 is my angle of rotation.
Yes, sir.
Next question.
Yes, sir.
Equation 4 square plus 2 root y plus 2y square minus 1 is equal to 0 is reduced to 5 capital X square plus capital Y square is equal to 1. For this, what should be my angle of theta should be rotated at? So what formula will be using here? Again, theta is equal to half
1
into
by 2
tan inverse of
tan inverse of
2h by a
by
minus b.
2h by
minus
a
b.
minus b.
What is my a value?
4.
4.
B value is
2.
2.
2. And what is the value of 2h? 2h is equal
2
2
root
root
3.
3. 2 root 3.
to
2
kindly
root 3.
mute your mic. Dear students, those who are not answering, kindly mute your mic. Only those who are not answering, unmute the mic. 2 root 3. So substitute all the values in the equation. So half into tan inverse of 2 root 3 by 4 minus 2 is
2
equal to 2. So 2 to get cancels.
root
So
3.
tan inverse of root 3 is equal to, when do we get tan inverse of root 3?
60
60
degrees.
degrees.
Huh?
Pi by
So pi by 3, that is equal to
pi
pi
by
by
6.
3.
I6.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Now try this question now. X square plus y square is equal to r square. Which is this equation?
Circle equation.
Now equation is reduced to the equation is reduced to y is equal to some 2r. The equation is reduced to y is equal to 2r. Find the angle of rotation.
Degrees. 45 degrees.
45 degree.
Yes, sir.
No, wrong.
Infinity.
Pi by 12, sir.
Huh? Look at the question.
Pi by 2.
The equation x square plus y
Y by
square
6, sir.
to r square is reduced to y is equal to 2r.
Y by
What
2.
is theta?
Theta equals to. um,
So 90 degrees.
90 degree wrong.
45 degrees, sir.
Wrong. Hmm.
60.
See, all guessing work. Wrong. This is my original equation, but the transformed equation is this one. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So that means what is happening? I have to find my theta. Theta is equal to tan inverse of minus a by b.
Minus a
That
by
is
b.
equal to
Half.
tan inverse of minus 1. That is equal to, when do we get minus? Pi minus
Minus 1.
tan inverse of 1. That is equal to pi minus pi by 4. That is equal to 3 pi by 4.
Sir, I don't
You
understand.
know ASTC rule. And all the more, this is a property. This is one of the properties of a inverse trigonometric function. Tan inverse of minus theta. And all the more, if you don't know all those properties, at least use ASTC rule. Pi by 4 is correct, but since angle is negative, correct? No? Yes or no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
See, minus 1 I am getting. Huh? Only in cos it is no problem. If cos inverse of minus 1 is coming, no problem, because we know cos inverse of minus theta is equal to minus cos theta plus cos theta. So did you understand? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next question. Do you ask this question in the test? X square plus y square is equal to r square.
No, sir.
Okay, I haven't answered. I should have asked it. Okay, next test we'll ask, no problem. Now, just and I clear the screen. Next question. Seventeen x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. And the angle of rotation theta is 45 degree. Find the original equation. How you do it?
X is equals to x sin theta, x cos theta minus y sin theta.
X cos theta minus,
Y sin theta.
that is for small
Y
x. Now
theta.
we have to find out small x. Small x is equal to
X
small x
cos
is equal
theta
to
X
X
plus
capital
y
X
sin theta plus y sin
cos
theta.
theta minus y sin theta.
understand. That is we are last time we are finding capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta, and for small y it is
X
what
sin theta plus
x sin theta
sin theta plus
plus
y cos theta.
Y
y
cos theta.
cos theta. So, but I want this equation in small x and small y. So, do you remember the table or matrix? Capital X, capital Y,
Capital Y, small x, small y,
small x, small y. So here
cos theta,
what function will come? Cos
cos
theta.
theta,
Here minus
minus
sin
sin
theta.
theta, sin
Here
theta, cos
sin
theta.
theta.
Sin
Here
theta.
cos
Cos
theta.
theta.
So imagine now you are finding x. You have to find the capital X. Capital X will become x cos theta
plus
plus
y sin theta.
y sin theta. Are you understanding?
Yes, sir.
Instead of taking horizontally, I am taking vertically now because I want to get the equation in small x and small y. Similarly, my capital Y will become,
Y x minus x
just a minute, my capital Y will become minus x
plus x
sin theta
sin theta
plus
y
y
cos
cos
theta
theta. Now we know that the angle, what they told is the angle that they have told is for us is theta is equal to how
45
much
degrees.
degree?
45 degrees.
degree. So that will become how much? So if I take this one, capital X will become how much? X into cos 45 means how much? 1
1
by
by
root
root 2.
2 plus 1 by root 2. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Capital Y will become minus 1 by root 2 into X plus 1 by root 2 into Y. So simplify this one. So capital X is equal to if I take 1 by root 2 common, it will be 1 by root 2 into X plus Y. Correct? No? 1 by
X
root 2
plus
into
Y by root two.
X plus Y. And
By
the
root
capital Y will be equal to minus 1 by root 2 into
x
minus
X
1 by root 2 into
minus Y.
X minus Y.
X minus
So
Y.
what is my equation? My equation is 17x square minus 16xy plus 17y square is equal to 225. Simplify the equation where capital X is there, put this value 17 into 1 by root 2 into x plus y whole square minus 16 into 1 by root 2 into x plus y into 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 into x minus y plus 17 into 1 by root 2 into x. Sorry, what is my y value?
Minus 1
Minus 1
by
by root
root
2
2.
into x minus y. y whole square is equal to 225. Now you have to simplify everything. 17 into 1 by 2 x square plus y square plus 2xy into bracket is there. Minus 16 into, I'll cancel, okay, this is not cancelling. So we'll keep it as it is. So this will be there. So this will be 16 into 1 by 2 into, so plus 1 by 2 minus 1 by plus minus 1 by 2 will become correct now. So this will become x square minus y square. A plus b over for a plus b into a minus b. Plus 17 into, this minus will become plus again, 1 by 2 into x square plus y square minus 2xy. Is equal to 225. So I am going to simplify again once again. See, multiplication is there. Multiplication of 3 terms is there. So I'll take 17 by 2 outside. So this is x square plus y square plus 2xy minus plus, it becomes plus 2 ones are 2 eights are 8x square minus 8y square plus 17 by 2, I'll take outside common, x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 225. Now simplify once again, take a 17 by 2 inside, 17 by 2 x square plus 17 by 2 y square plus 17xy plus 8x square minus 8y square, 8y square plus 17 by 2 x square plus 17 by 2 y square minus 17xy is equal to 225 plus 17xy minus 17xy get cancels. If I take LCM is 2. So if I take LCM, I cross multiply that side. So it will be 17x square plus 17y square plus
16x
That's
square.
sir.
just a minute plus 16x square
16
minus
minus
16y square
16y square.
plus 17x square plus
17y square.
17y square is equal to 500. So if you simplify, 17 plus 17, 34, 34 plus 16 is 50,
50.
50x square plus 17 plus 17, 34, 34 minus 16 is
18.
18, sir.
18y square is equal to 500. So what we can take common? Can you take
So-
anything common?
Sir,
So how it is
how
500?
it is 500? Is it? It will be
It will
450.
be 450.
Okay, 450. Sorry. It is 450. So 50x square plus 18y square is equal to 450. We can you take any
Two.
common here? We
Yes,
can
sir.
take 2
Two
common.
will be common.
25x square plus 9y square is equal to 225.
225.
So this is my simplified equation. So do you understand?
Yes, sir.
So you have got like this one question for your test. Did you do it?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Just you did inky pinky ponky.
No, sir, we did.
Okay, now next one again. The axis are rotated at theta is equal to 180 degree. Theta is equal to 180 degree. I think last class we did like this 1 or 2 problems, no? Saturday class? No response.
Yes, sir.
No, Saturday I think we did 1 or 2 problems like this sort. So theta is equal to 180 degree. The equation 2x minus 3y plus 4 will become 4 is equal to 0 will become how much? Try and tell me. Theta is equal to 180 degree. 2 small x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0. This equation will become what? Better use that either if you're familiar with matrix, use matrix. If you're familiar with table, use table. I'll read the question once again. Question is 2x minus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0 and the angle of rotation is 180 degree. What is my transformed equation?
Sir, minus 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0.
What is the answer? Hello, what is the
Minus
answer?
2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0.
Bring x as
Minus
a
4x.
make x as positive. Let us see what you will get answer. Always make x as positive. What you told is correct. Make x as positive. Should make x as positive. 2x minus 3y minus
Plus
4 is equal
4.
to
Minus 4 is equal to 0. Sir.
because always our equation of x should be in positive. Now take this question again. X square plus 2 root 3 xy minus y square minus 8 is equal to 0. Angle of rotation is pi by 6. So again use the table. Write everything in terms of x, small x and small y, so it will become your capital X and capital Y.
So I think we need to take capital X equal to.
No,
Sir, last one 8 or 5, sir.
8,
Y
8,
square.
8. Y square minus 8 is equal to 0. We can't take what is called as capital X here because original equation is given.
Yeah, sir.
Hmm. You try your method, let us see what answer you are getting. I shall not discourage you. We are finding difficult. So x is equal to capital X cos theta minus capital Y sin theta. That is small x will become how much? Capital X cos theta is equal to how much? Cos pi by 6. That is it. Pi by 6 is equal to
Root 3 by.
2 minus y will become how
Sir, I
much?
got the answer. Sir, I got the answer. Sir.
Y will become 1 by 2. 1 by 2 y.
Yes, sir.
And small y will become how much? Small y will become x sin theta plus y
Plus
cos theta.
y cos.
This will be equal to x 1 by 2 plus y root 3
Root
by
3
2.
by 2.
So it will be, if you take both common, your small x will become 1 by 2 into root 3x minus y by small y will be 1 by 2 into x plus root 3y. Now you have to put entire thing in the equation. X square plus 2 root 3xy minus y square minus 8 is equal to 0. Did you understand, Vignesh? Now why we should use small x, small y?
Yeah, sir.
So when you put substitute and simplify this one, you will get the answer as
7x square minus
just a
3.
minute. That is, you will get answer is x square minus y square is equal to 4. We can take that thing as common. So with this, we are concluding the level 1 questions. So level 1 of transformation of equation is, we are concluding it here, and level 1 exercise 2 is given for your test. So whatever you wrote a test yesterday is all of level 1 questions of exercise 2. So level 1 exercise 1 we discussed here. So tomorrow onwards we'll be going to level 2, little deeper inside. So once again I'm asking you to kindly go through the concepts of what we have discussed already. Theorems, mainly theorems and corollaries. More than theorems, the corollary is very important, because often we are using the results of theorem. Corollary is nothing but the results of theorem. We are using that one because so far it is just only direct application, directly substituting. That's all. No much extra work was there for our mind and so on. But from the next question onwards, we'll be using a lot of things. So for that, you should know the concepts of your what is this called as a corollaries, everything, and we'll be using also the basics of 2D geometry, locus, everything. So kindly go through all these things and come. Is it okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
So yes. Hello.
Okay, sir.
Now somebody asked something. That's the reason. Towards the end. So please always whatever we give for test, keep that questions with you. Or you can write the questions and keep it separately. That is also useful. So with this, we are completing the level 1. Tomorrow onwards, we'll go for level 2. Once we go to straight lines, we'll follow the Sengage book. I think each of you have got. So with this, we conclude the class. Thank you one and all.
Thank you, sir. Yes, students, again we have class tomorrow morning, that is from 5 to 7. Right? Again we will meet tomorrow morning 5 to 7. And from tomorrow, we have class evening sessions are from 6:30 to 8:30. Is it okay to everyone?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
No, ma'am.
Okay, Gayatri. At what time you'll come to home?
6:40, 6:50 like that, ma'am.
Okay, you can join whenever you come, Gayatri. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. And you also have access to the YouTube classes. So those who are late by 10-15 minutes, you can just listen through YouTube class also. Right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So bye everyone. We'll meet tomorrow.